Everybody looks the same, it's a drag. I'm about to print a million name tags. What if your mom still dressed you? I wish my mom still dressed me. Then I would rock black on black, mid-high top, leather Reeboks, flashing lights on the floor, and all the girls holler for more. I got no laces, I got straps, synchronized to Velcro flaps. So when I step real good. Step to me like I wish you would. Yeah, everybody looks the same, it's a drag. I'm about to print a million name tags. What if your mom still dressed you? I wish my mom still dressed me. Then my t-shirt would flow like the wind, hanging down to the middle of my shins. Back cracked if you're dragging on the floor. Used to be my bumpers, but it ain't no more, no, no. I got the graphic of a bin on the front, like a fin on the front, cause I'm the man on the front, rocking Rudy and the Blowfish, Rudy and the Blowfish. Yeah, I'm rapping Rudy and the Blowfish, Rudy and the Blowfish. Everybody looks the same, it's a drag. I'm about to print a million name tags. What if your mom still dressed you? I wish my mom still dressed me.
So I've been sitting inside this dressing room at a shady Old Navy. I'm thinking of throwing a fit because of what my mama gave me. I don't like those slacks, please stick 'em right back. You don't even know what I like. Wishing that I could escape, go for a wait, throw on the K-pop on my trike. Oops, I mean hop on my bike, ain't got no training wheels lately. I can do it on my own, I'm so grown, so please stop calling me baby. But I'm worried that these other kids might hate me. I gotta look cool so one day some pretty girl will date me. So mama, take this seriously. My appearance, it needs to be something fearless and free. Needs to be clear that it's me hiding inside of these layers. I got these plans to crush a lot and stay away from the players. So let's grab some headphones, the biggest in all the store. My Walkman's loaded up with the Sugar Ray disc. I'm glad that you're not bored to watch me shuffle through these feature racks and stacks, looking to score the coolest. Get up that I bet the whole 5th grade will adore.
Everybody looks the same, it's a drag. I'm about to print a million name tags. What if your mom still dressed you? I wish my mom still dressed me.